Welcome back everyone. I hope all is well. This is remote learning video number 3 for first grade. Today we're talking about rain. They say that April showers bring May flowers. But what is rain? And why does it need to rain? Rain is part of our planet's weather and is called precipitation. Basically any form of water that falls to the earth, like rain or snow or hail, H-A-I-L, is precipitation. Our planet is constantly using this water over and over again in what's called a water cycle. First, heat from the sun helps turn the water that's on the top of oceans or rivers or lakes into an invisible gas called water vapor. That process is called evaporation. When the heated water evaporates, the water vapor goes up into the air or the atmosphere. When the water vapor cools in the atmosphere, the water turns back into liquid and then into clouds. This transformation from water vapor to liquid because of the cooler air is called condensation. When liquid gets too heavy to stay in the atmosphere, they'll fall back down to the ground as rain or snow. The rain falls on lands or in oceans or rivers or lakes or streams, only eventually to repeat the cycle over again. You can see the process of condensation using a can of soda. If you take a can of soda, a cold soda, from the fridge to outside on a warm day, you'll see that when the invisible water vapor, that gas we were talking about, in the air comes into contact with your cold can, the gas becomes liquid droplets on the outside of the soda can. What looks like the can sweating is actually condensation. We now know how it rains. Now we want to know why it rains. If it never rained, our planet would become just one big desert. Not dessert. Desert. Water keeps nearly all life on this planet alive. We're going to be making our own rainy day illustration for this project. You'll only need a paper and pencil, and coloring will be optional.
In the Rain by Elizabeth Spur. Clouds gather, rain pours. Put on slicker, go outdoors. Water flows, make a boat. Sail in stream, off it floats. Stomp in puddles, splish, splash. Make a mud pie, smush, smash. Sun shines, rain goes. Find more water from the hose. Clouds part, rainbow bends. Make a wish, rain, come again. Excellent job, readers. The end.
All right, first grade. We're going to be making our rainy day illustration. I got my paper, have a smaller size piece of paper so it doesn't take as long. I have my pencil and I have my pencil sharpener. Now, step 1 is going to be to draw what's called an octagon. An octagon is a geometric shape that has 8 different sides. So to make this easy on you, we're going to start by drawing the horizontal or the sideways lines. 1, 2. We're going to be making an umbrella, so we want to make it kind of big. Now we're going to be drawing the up and down lines. 1, 2. So that's 4 lines. It kind of looks like a square that's not closed. We're going to be closing it with diagonal lines. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. That is our umbrella. We're going to make a little circle in the middle. And then we're going to be drawing lines out towards the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now our umbrella is done. We'll come back to decorating the top of the umbrella in a minute. Let's draw the rest of it. First, we're going to start with the raincoat. Looks like a U right from the bottom of the umbrella and a U back up. Then we're going to draw some legs wearing some pants. It's going to look kind of like a W for this, you'll see. So I'm going to go down and come up and then go back down and then go up. So this top part, the body, was a U, and this part is like a W. Now we can draw the rain boots. We're going to start with the bigger rain boot first, since it's in front. Then we're going to draw the boot that is in the back. So you'll see the bigger boot overlaps. Now we can draw whatever shape we want to for a puddle. This is our rain puddle. We can shade that in if we want to, or color that in if you have the means. And we can add our rain before we decorate our umbrella. You can do straight down rain or sideways rain, however you want to do it. This is our rainy day. Now we can go back to decorating our umbrella using different types of lines. We can use all the different lines we've learned before. Each triangle is going to be its own design. We got curved lines. You can also mix up designs too, if you want to. So we're going to decorate each one of these triangles with a different design for our umbrella on a rainy day. So this is our rainy day illustration.
mrcobbsart.com. They say